The beginning of digital currencies denoted a progressive time in the realm of money. The flexible scope of cryptographic forms of money offers a plenty of benefits to financial backers. The eminent cryptographic forms of money like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Wave, Litecoin, and so on had their own advantage fleeting trend to advance. Notwithstanding, they're actually prowled a test of openness, straightforwardness, and colossal exchange charges. Allow us to have a speedy look at the ongoing cost and subtleties of BCH and comprehend the Bitcoin money cost expectation for what's in store. This was properly tended to by Bitcoin money's introduction to the world, represented by BCH in mid-2017 by a gathering of engineers. They understood that the colossal capability of Bitcoin could be additionally saddled ideally through a hard fork, in this way expanding the block size limit. So on August 1, 2017, BCH started its life. Bitcoin money specialized examination, grasping the nitty-gritties, a profound infiltration into the statistical data points of Bitcoin money, has a by and large unique story to uncover. Notwithstanding having enormous future outcomes, additionally potential and commitments of conveying forward of 8 MB block size, the token has many motivations to work harder to coordinate to its size opposite its rivals. A significant explanation, subsequently, is that the two financial backers and diggers side with the parent Bitcoin. BCH is using pretty much 2.1% of its block limit. Aside from that, the specialized rejig could likewise be expected to bring back the cost sheen. The engineers required a ton of patching up to show greater spryness in rolling out revolutionary improvements to the task's basics. This could assist with pushing the BCH cost and market cap to new highs. Be that as it may, the value history of Bitcoin money, thinking back, has not been offering too much. It has stayed unpredictable and firmly connected with the general market situation. On December 20, 2017, not long after its creation, a solitary Bitcoin money had a worth of more than $4,000, and the cost expanded. It looks astonishing that the coin has begun losing cash quickly and saw today cost drop from that astounding level radically. Retail financial backer records lose cash while exchanging spread wagers and are intricate instruments. In August 2017, mining and opponent coins made this Bitcoin Cash digital currency bob to a huge level. The typical cost expanded with more than a $9 billion market cap. Many began seeing this as a contender instead of a posterity or a hard fork of Bitcoin. However, a resulting rectification cut statements by practically 30%. In November, the following period of development started. Against the foundation of the arrival of true programming and posting on top trades, the coin began a cost recuperation, making a notable high of $430, with a market cap being $70 billion. With Bitcoin money showing such a lot of commitment, it has support from all the business crypto world experts who immovably accept that Bitcoin money, upheld by a major strong algorithmic science and a predictable past exhibition, can be wise venture exhortation however, provided that contributed brilliantly with the right cost check. As indicated by Gauge Bitcoin money cost, it is by all accounts showing a vertical pattern. The bulls will push the cost up like other crypto monsters as well. It's uplifting news for its financial backers. According to BCH Value Forecast, it can generally depend on $266.80 as most extreme cost in 1 year, as indicated by the principal examination and cost figure independent of its reception. The BCH coin will more often than not face heat till January 2023. Going by Bitcoin money cost expectations that bulls might be back, the cash ought to wind up around $188. Bitcoin money is anticipated to begin in WAC 2023 at $94.587 and finish the month at $105.004. During spring, the most extreme determined BCH cost is $109.339 and the base cost is $74.351. Bitcoin money ABC, BCH ABC, got enrolled in the Gemini trade, drove by the Winklevis siblings with NYDFS endorsement. Likewise, the quantity of exchanges for Bitcoin money appeared to be developing dramatically. Bitcoin ABC and Bitcoin SV didn't figure out how to acquire a lot of prominence. Nonetheless, both of these coins are as yet accessible in each significant digital money trade. The Bitcoin Money Project Group is on a forceful binge to improve its advancement and improvement exercises. Breaking liberated from the customary method of activity, the group is effectively considering some progressive infrastructural upgradation. Aside from the ongoing wallet support, the Bitcoin Money People group has likewise tried a beta message tipping bot Tipmebshbit, which empowers wire clients to tip different clients utilizing BCH. Bitcoin Money Value Expectation 2023. Going by concentrating on present moment and long-haul BCH cost drifts, the coin's cost has been straying from its way, typically every 2 or 3 years. In the principal half of 2023, the Bitcoin money cost expectation 2023 is said to arrive at the base cost of $105 and $275 as the greatest cost in the last part. Sooner rather than later, probable, the finish of 2022 or the start of the year 2023 may not be ideal for heightening, particularly with rivals making up for lost time intensity or markets messing around. As per Bitcoin money cost expectation 2023, there is an anticipated possibility of Bitcoin money causing a slight recuperation, yet at the year end of 2023, BCH cost will recapture its lost force and crosses the $250 mark. Bitcoin money value expectation 2024. There is no such thing as expressing that a stunning chance, and that bulls will ride the crypto market. It is normal that Bitcoin money will govern the crypto market, with a presentation cost fixed around $300 in the long-term end. In the main portion of 2024, the Bitcoin money value forecast is said to arrive at the base cost of $250 and $350 as the greatest cost in the last part. Bitcoin money has the maximum capacity to support and reliably fill even in unfavorable circumstances, according to our BCH cost expectations. There will be an uncommon change in the Bitcoin money cost estimate when contrasted with the ongoing cost. Bitcoin money value expectation 2025. Assuming the BCH cost endures for an extremely long period and mass reception gets number, it is definitely conceivable that Bitcoin money will be actually worth 10 to 100x more than its until now all-time high, in light of our BCH cost expectation. In the principal half of 2025, the Bitcoin money value forecast is said to arrive at the base cost of $352 and $440 as the most extreme cost in the last part. That would mean, as per Bitcoin money cost forecast, it would cost $445 in 2025 constantly's end. Notwithstanding, this sort of hopeful assumption originates from two preconditions. 1. Bitcoin keeps on marvelous assumptions. 2. Markets stay as great as usual. Bitcoin money value expectation 2026. In light of our own exploration and Bitcoin money cost figure, the BCH cost expectation for the year 2026 is $510. BCH conjecture helps in financial planning with impeccable timing. In the primary portion of 2026, the Bitcoin money value expectation is said to arrive at the base cost of $480 and $540 as the most extreme cost in the last part. Bitcoin money value expectation 2027. As per Bitcoin cash cost expectation, beating the pandemic will assist with doing a great deal for the market feeling of Bitcoin money. BCH, ready for a rise. Bitcoin money cost, as well, will parallelly run with Bitcoin on a similar bullish pattern. In the main, around 50% of the Bitcoin money value expectation